Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susan. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and you're welcome to my YouTube video. Guys, welcome to another episode of Hair Talks, and today we are going to be talking about hair teas or hair mist or hair spray or hair water, whatever you want to call it. I'm sure everyone is familiar with hair teas and hair sprays. There are a couple trending right now on YouTube, and I'm sure you must have tried it. So I'm here to give you a list of hair teas that you can try to aid hair growth. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So in order for this video not to be long, I'm going to be leaving the benefits of these hair teas and hair sprays at this side so that you can see the benefits of each spray I'm going to be talking about and choose your fighter and choose what works best for you and what is easily accessible to you too. I think you should consider that. Hair tea or hair mist or hair spray is any liquid that is infused with Ayurvedic herbs or spices to aid hair growth. These hair teas can be used as hydrating mist or scalp treatment, and you can either leave it on or wash it off depending on what you are going for and if you can stand the smell or if you are comfortable with the smell. Now, here is a list of hair teas or spray you can incorporate in your hair routine to aid hair growth. I'm very sure you guys are going to be familiar with some of these teas I'm going to talk about or sprays I'm going to talk about. So the first one on my list is rice water. I'm very sure everyone doing natural hair, that has natural hair, that had a natural hair and has transitioned to relaxed hair must have tried rice water. Rice water is very common, very popular. I personally have tried rice water and it works. The only problem I have with it is that it stinks. It smells badly, very bad, especially when it gets fermented. And fermented rice water is what actually does the work for your hair. But I can't deal with the smell. The smell is awful. I can't. Very bad. So that's why I no longer do rice water again. But I have tried it and it works. And if you are okay with the smell, you can manage the smell, you can give it a try. The next on my list is fenugreek water. Fenugreek is a very, very good Ayurvedic spice or herb to be added to your hair routine. You are going to see tremendous results. I've used it in my conditioner, like my deep conditioner. I've used the hairspray and it's a staple in my hair growth oil. I have a video link somewhere up here so you can check it out. The next on my list is clove water. Yes, that's the emperor, the conqueror, the lion, the champion. The lion is here. Clove water I have tried. I even have a dedicated video talking about my experience with clove water. Also, that video is going to be linked in the description box. Please do well to check it out if you're interested. There I shared all the tips, the tricks, benefits of clove water, the way I made it and all of that and how I used it. It's going to be in that video. But clove water is a very, very good ingredient to try. It is all over YouTube. If you have not tried it, I'm here to attest to it that yes, try it, it's gonna work. Okay, the next on the list is rosemary water. This is another champion. Another what? Champion. This one I was shocked. Like, I did not expect the result to be so fast the way it was. I have a detailed video talking about my experience with rosemary water. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box. Please do well to check it out. Okay, the next on the list is hibiscus water. Yes, I have not tried hibiscus water. Why? I don't know. I feel like it's going to stain my outfit and I don't think I can deal with that because I want to be able to apply it like I applied the rest hair mist that I have used. So I just feel like I'm going to be restricted with hibiscus water. But I use hibiscus in my hair growth oil. I haven't used hibiscus much apart from using it in my hair oils. I haven't tried it as a deep conditioner or any deep conditioner. I haven't tried it as a spray. Personally, because I just feel like it's going to stain. It's going to mess up things and I don't want to have to deal with that. But from research and from videos I've watched, hibiscus is a very good herb to add to your routine. And if you're not scared of this stain, you can do a hibiscus spray and add it to your routine. So now I have listed major hair sprays and teas that you can try out. If you know anyone that I don't know and did not mention, you can leave it in the comment section so that we can learn. I'm trying to grow my hair too. You can share the hair sprays and hair teas that you know of in the comment section. Okay, here are some combinations you can try if you want to, just so that you can get the most of each nutrient. So you are getting the nutrients from rosemary and the nutrients from rice water, both of them together. Okay, first combination is fenugreek and rosemary. These two together, powerhouse. You're going to have a very good result when you try this too, speaking from experience. The next is clove water and rosemary. These two emperors, you bring them together, what are you gonna get? That's the description of using clove water and rosemary. I have mine, let me show you. So I have rosemary and clove water in this spray bottle, and I use this on my hair at least 2 to 3 times a week, most times every week if I feel like. Now these two I have used and I love, and this is what I'm consistent with. So if you want to try it like me, I recommend. The next combination is rice water and rosemary. I think rosemary is very good to pair with any other herb for hair growth. It's going to be nice, and I like the smell of rosemary. It has a very nice smell. Now if you don't like rice water smell, come, just come. You don't like rice water smell, mix rosemary with it. Like infuse rice water and rosemary together in your water to get a very good hair spray or hair tea that's going to work and it's not going to stink like rice water. We all know that rice water smells. It smells badly. But if you add rosemary into your rice water, when infusing your rice water, you're going to get a better smell and it's going to work well for your hair. Lastly, hibiscus water and rosemary. This combination I have not tried, but I've seen a couple of people try it and do it, and I think maybe if you give it a try, you are going to like it. But I just feel like you are setting yourself up, because hibiscus stains and rosemary water too stains, but I think rosemary stain is easy to get off than hibiscus when you have it on your clothes. So imagine bringing those two together. Just prepare to dye your clothes, that's it. Or make sure that you have a tea that you are going to use whenever you are going to put on, whenever you want to spray hibiscus and rosemary water on your hair, just to be safe. Because if you're like me, that you dress up for work and you now go ahead to spray your hair, you're going to stain your clothes bad, and you won't like it. So take this tip. If you're going to be trying hibiscus and rosemary water, either you get an apron or a shield or a cloth to just shield yourself from the stain, because they are going to stain badly. Okay, so guys, that's it for my hair tea recommendation and my hair tea mixture that you should try to grow your hair. Thick, long, natural hair. All you just need to do is pick your fighter, pick the one you are convenient and comfortable with, and be consistent with it. Consistency is very important. If you are not consistent, you're not going to see the results you are looking for. I think it's better to hydrate your hair with hair tea and spray than just do it with regular water, because you are hydrating your hair, what water does, and infusing nutrients from these herbs and spices into your hair to make your hair healthy and to make it grow shiny and be full. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful again. Please don't forget to leave comments in the comment section. Ask me anything there. Let me know what kind of hair videos you like me to do, what kind of hair talks you like me to do, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.